second day to the Atlantic. Yay! I'm not gonna fall in. Whoa! I'm almost certainly sure of that. But we'll see. I'm not gonna take bets on it. Because I'm clumsy. Fellow escapist, it's been a wild journey so far. I need to read this off because I can't make serious stories out of my head. You can see I have a lot of pauses in between and it's really boring to watch. It's been a wild journey so far and I've loved sharing my journey and my adventures with all of you. That's a certainty. But I need to be honest with you guys. I need your help. As much as I enjoy creating and sharing my content, it can be discouraging to see that the numbers don't add up. I'm getting views on my videos, but I'm not getting the support I need to keep this channel going. I put countless numbers of hours into this channel every week, and it would mean the world to me if you could hit that subscribe button and show your support. That's all I ask actually. Click, that's all. That's everything. You need to do that once. I didn't want to do this, ask for your subscriptions, because I wanted to stand out of all the channels begging for all the stuff that they do. But my numbers don't add up. If I don't ask it, you don't do it. And that's a little bit of a shame. Because yeah, I know I need to go do that every single video. Ask if you can subscribe, can you like the video and maybe play the content, and if you like, share. And that's actually wasting your time, people that are subscribed to the channel. But people don't do that. A normal bad channel has normal 3% subscription rate. I have zero, because I don't ask for it. If I ask for it, I get 3, maybe, if I'm lucky. So my content is really not on to par with all the rest of the high production values. I know that that's not the point, but I'm actually at 0. And I know that there are worse channels than mine. So yeah, that's now what I'm asking. No, let's go back to the adventure. I'm currently still in France, staying at the surface campsite. Today is day 2 of our exploration to the beach, to the Atlantic Ocean beach. As you know, a couple of days ago we had a little bit of a snack. We got stuck in the sand on the beach, on beach sand. It was not on the beach yet, it was in the dunes. And it was quite the ordeal. But don't worry, I caught it all on camera and you can check it on my channel in the other video. Wait, is it this corner or is it this corner? Yeah, it's a little bit overlighted because it's really sunny. This corner, I think. You'll see. It's still winter, so there is no mass tourism yet, which is awesome. That's why I'm here actually. And we practically have the beach for ourselves. I'm gonna start driving to the next location in France. It's, I think, the last location in France before Spain. And it's gonna be awesome. That was an awesome spot. We did so much walking there. It was awesome, really awesome. The next video is gonna be awesome.